Hey, what's up, Anthony? It's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement so you can start beating Atlanta roofing specialists. If you look up Roofing Atlanta, they show up first. It's really easy to beat them. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Now, you're probably asking, why would you even make this video for me? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's tons of roofers that are just so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and they just do it themselves, and that's awesome. But some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 simple things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, whoever did your website, if it was you or you hired a professional, did an awesome job. It is super, super clean. Obviously, you guys have, I mean, this looks like this is an actual photo of you. Yeah, you got your shirt. So you were on HGTV. Like, you've got a lot of trust building factors on this website. It is a beautiful looking website. Great job. What Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all the stuff that you can read, this content here. And the average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content. So if I go and I paste all of your content into a word counter, you can see you have 1,009. So great job. You have quite a bit. I would recommend getting up to 1,500 words. It would allow you to fit in more keywords. A keyword is a phrase someone commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So, like, I pulled up some for you. Feel free to pause this video and write these down because you want to put these in your content, and I'll show you why. So, for example, in this video, I'm using Roofing Atlanta. 450 people search that every single month. So imagine if you were number one in front of just 450 people every month who wanted to purchase roofing. It would change your business pretty drastically, and that's one keyword. So you want to make sure you put that in there. If I go and I search your website, you can see you don't have it anywhere on there. So I would even put at the top, like, we provide the Roofing Atlanta Residents Trust or something like that. That way you can fit the keyword in naturally. So that's my first tip for you regarding one more thing, actually. You can also save your images as keywords. So Roofs by Dawn here, I know the color logo makes sense, but you can save it as Roofing Atlanta, and that'll help you rank for that keyword as well. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot better results if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. If you Google backlink checker, you can find this data for free. It says you currently have 5 websites linking to you, while Atlanta roofing specialists have 155 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, all I would do is copy them, because if these 155 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, then they're going to be trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites, and just like they did, put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like, for example, Super Pages or Top Rated Local. On these types of websites, you just create a profile, you put a link in your profile back to your homepage, and boom, you've got a backlink. It's that simple. So it's just a little time consuming, but if you beat them in content plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically and start getting all the free business that comes from there. Got one last tip for you though: how to show up in the map section. If you want to be here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, GAF, stuff like that, Yelp. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Castle Roofing was in. I put myself in the exact same directories and then add a bunch on top. So if Castle Roofing was in like 150 directories, I put myself in at least 200 or 300. But that is all I've got for you, Anthony. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content, like Roofing Atlanta, Roof Repair Atlanta, Roofing Atlanta GA, because there's so many searches every single month. After that, you're going to want to take all the websites that are linking to Atlanta roofing specialists and get them linking back to yourself. Finally, you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Castle Roofing Atlanta. If you follow these 3 tips, this is enough to get you ranked number 1 across the entire front page of Google and start getting all the free business growth that comes with being there. So now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it all yourself. This is a great route. If you decide to go this route, the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this stuff done, give me a call anytime. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great to speaking to you on the phone earlier, Anthony. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. See ya.